first seat. Sino mga ka-all shot? Hirat, Kinugitan, Misamis Oriental guys ha. So pag hindi pa naka-follow, follow sa ating page guys. Let's see kung sino. Parang si outdoors type na track guys ha. Sino? Bornok Mangosong guys. Unfortunately, Bornok Mangosong followed by position guys ha. Iba talaga yung intensity lang dapat. Grabe guys, intensity na laro. Bornok pa rin guys ha. Bornok pa rin. Sinong sumusunod sa kanya? Sino? Bornok Mangosong. Mitch Rivera. Mitch Rivera ang second place up. Wow! Delikado guys. Oh! Terence dapat na second place. Itams mo na. Okay. Second mistake ni guys. Pag-double ito ha. Double guys. Akala ko si Aguilar. Sige. Grabe intensity ng laro guys. This is the quality of Philippine motocross. Grabe intensity guys. Pineda Brothers. Bornok pa rin. The rivalry of Bornok Mangosong and Terence Napat. Let's see guys kung sino ang lalabas. Oh! Bornok Mangosong! Grabe talaga. Mr. Bornok Mangosong. Wow! Grabe. Di kita ng laban guys. Intensity sa laro. Dito sa Kinugitan, Misamis Oriental. Rayo Ipanag with his Honda CRF 450R. Pineda, Bing Dablo, and McLean Aguilar. Ito na. Ito pa si Lagrada, Joben Lagrada. Wow! Ito na. Rivalry pa rin. Terence Napat and Bornok Mangosong. Grabing intensity guys. Sinong nalabas? Wow! Terence Napat na muna guys. Bornok Mangosong with the inside. Sinong nalabas guys? Sinong nalabas? Wow! Terence Napat followed by Mitch Rivera. Black Pants by Bornok Mangosong. Grabing intensity guys. Dito sa Kinugitan, Misamis Oriental. So pag hindi ka pa naka-follow sa ating page guys, please follow the page para sa ganitong events sa Philippine motocross. Rayo Ipanag, Kimboy Pineda, Beng Dablo, McLean Aguilar, Jesse Pineda. Grabing rivalry guys. Napat and Bornok, the rivalry of these two great riders. Eto na. Saklihan natin. Sino nasad? Sinong lalabas? Bornok Mangosong, Ray Paitit. Eto na, sino labas? Oh! Terence Tapat, Rivera, Bornok Mangosong, Ray Paitit. Eto na. And oy, Gualisa guys, si Clark Gualisa of Visayas. Rayo Ipanag. Iba talaga intensity guys ng expert category ng Philippine Motocross. Oh, whip by Ray Paitit. Iba talaga. This is the quality of Philippine Motocross. Sa mga hindi pa nakapollow sa aking page guys, please follow right now. Para sa mga itong intensity ng event ng Philippine Motocross. Sinong lalabas? Oh! Terence Tapat pa rin, maintaining the lead, followed by Michelin Rivera sa third place. Uy, Ray Paitit na guys. Ray Paitit na ang third place. Ray Paitit. Wow! Bornok Mangosong, fourth place. Iba talaga, hindi nagpapahuli ang Bukidnon Pride. Clark Gualisa of Visayas, big position. Oh! Iba talaga. Clark Gualisa. Wow! Bandigan ni Panag. Iba talaga. Maraming intensity dito sa Kinugitan, Misamis Oriental guys ha. This is the first hit pa lang guys ha. First hit pa lang to pero iba ng intensity, parang final hit na. Maclean Aguilar. Stage si Maclean Aguilar dito kanina guys. Muntik na siyang overshoot. Jesse Pineda. Dapat pa rin. Followed by Michelin Rivera. Ray Paitit. Diba yan? Ray Paitit guys. Bornok Mangosong. Terence Tapat. Rivera wala. Ray Paitit. Outer position. Inner position. Bornok Mangosong. Wow, that's Clark Gualisa of Visayas guys. Diba talaga, hindi rin nagpapahuli yung taga Visayas. Marami ditong alikabok guys. Iba talaga. Ang layo ng kaninang event sa mga expert. Bandigan, Rayo Ipanag with his CRF 450. Maclean Aguilar using the CRF 450. Iba talaga ang presence ng Honda. I think sino Terence Tapat, Michelin Rivera, Ray Paitit from 7th position pa sa kanina guys ha. Oh, Terence Tapat, Mitch Rivera. Oh, outer Ray Paitit, Bornok Mangosong in the 4th place. And the 5th position, Clark Gualisa of Visayas. Hindi rin nagpapahuli guys si Clark Gualisa. Rayo Ipanag, Bandigan. Ito guys. First hit of the expert open category. Maclean Aguilar, Dodo Bandigan. Wow, Terence Tapat. Wow, first place, second place, Rivera. Oh, outer by Rivera guys. Grabe. Ray Paitit, third place. Bornok Mangosong. Grabe. Clark Gualiza Visayas. Rayo Ipanag. Grabe talaga guys. Ray by 18, hindi rin nagpapahuli from 7th place to 3rd place. Maclean Aguilar. A big mistake by Maclean Aguilar guys ha. Dito kanina oh. Muntik na siya ma-overshoot. Oh, napat. The dominance of Terence Napat. Followed by ng kanyang kababayan na si Mitch Rivera. Wow, Ray by 18. Napat. Rivera. Wow. Rivera. By 18 pala guys. Borok Pangosong. Wow. Lapper. Si Jesse Pineda guys. Then sino ba to? Number 12 using the Clark Gualiza guys oh. From Visayas. Jesse Pineda. Ano? Kimboy Pineda guys, number 10. Iba talaga. Rayo Ipanag with a 4 PCR. Iba talaga. Dito natin nakikita kung sino na. Grabing stamina guys ni Terence Napat, Mitch Rivera, and Ray by 18. Wow. Mitch Rivera, Ray by 18, 3rd place. And ang 4th place, Borok Pangosong. Lapper si Dodong Pandigan guys. Ang 4th si from Visayas si Clark Gualiza. Maclean Aguilar. Oh, Terence Napat. Aguilar no. Rivera. Terence Napat. Mitch Rivera. Ray by. Grabe. Ang layo na ni Ray by 18 kang Borok Pangosong guys. Pero para nagre-relax na si Borok Pangosong for the final hit of this race. Checker flag, first place si Terence Napat, second si Mitch Rivera, third is Ray by 18. Borok Pangosong. Clark Gualiza of Visayas.